Okay, hey y'all, welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of the Reese Show. I just came real fast to play with these little products that has been sent to me from the Born Pretty store. Okay, now I picked out a few things on their site. I already showed y'all this here. I showed this in a previous video of mine. Love this little thing, and it does the job very well. I like this here because it looks different than all the other basic looking magnetic tools. And it's so pretty. The color is pretty, and it's just the gold outlining symbols is pretty as well. I just like pretty things. That's cute. So I'm going to give. Then they also sent me. I picked up. The reason I picked these items out is because it seems a little challenging. Because I never worked with a. What is this? A builder gel polish. So I said, wow, that should be interesting, right? So this here is like a 6 ml? Yeah, 6 ml bottle. Then they also sent me this here. I don't know if any of y'all heard me mention before in my previous videos that me and stamping does not get along. But I said I'm going to give it a go. Just to play around with it, right? No, but this here is a pretty stamping gold polish. This is so pretty. So pretty. And actually, I picked this here one out by mistake. I thought I was going in for the black one, but I went in for that color. And I'm pretty happy I did, because that's a nice color, that gold there. Alright, and I also picked this here out. These are some type of flakes. Let's see how pretty these look. They have a seal on it, that's good. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, wow. This is like a rose gold color. Oh, this is very pretty. Okay. We're going to try and put this to use too as well. Okay, so now I'm about to play with this here first. This builder gel. Let's see what we can do with this. Hold on, let me go grab a form. Okay, I got this form right here. These are some gel forms that I picked up off of AliExpress. I'm going to turn this around here and line this up with this one. Just so it can give me some building structure. Uh-oh. Try and gather the lines evenly as possible to match up with the lines on the form. Okay. It's not that. This is my first time using these forms too, y'all. If y'all was wondering. So I'm going to try and do this here with my thumb. Yeah, so I got this here form on. And please excuse my thumb here. Soaking my nails off, and I'm going with the E-file and went a little too far and almost, went too far with the drill, and it kind of like, I didn't realize until it burnt the out of me. Yeah. Okay, so now I got the form on. It tells you to apply a base gel, okay? So I don't have any base gel by Born Pretty, but I do have base gel by Mark Hart, okay? So I'm going to go in with this here. Now, I didn't push my cuticles back, but I reckon that's something you should do. So now I'm going to go cure this here little builder, this little base gel. I'm going to go cure this base gel. Be right back. Okay, so after I went and cured this here, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this here builder gel. Let's see what we can do with it. Okay. This is fun so far. Okay, well, we know it's not thick as no poly gel, so. But it's a builder gel. It's about as thick as any normal builder gel. No, I can't say that because I haven't worked with thicker builder gels. Okay. And I guess basically what you do is you just paint it straight on down. Try not to get any bubbles in it. Oh, this is neat. Oh yeah, this is neat. I like this. I'm gonna have to go in with a couple of coats of it, of course. But that's what they tell you on the site as well. So, but you basically just paint it on like polish. Especially when you get up here by your cuticle and on your nail bed. Yeah, you can just paint it on like polish. Okay, I like this. Alright, I'm going to hold it down. No, I'm going to hold it upside down. How about that? So it won't run nowhere. I'm going to hold it upside down for a couple of seconds. Okay, now I'm about to go cure it. And I'll be right back. Okay, so after that first cure, I'm going to go in. I cured it for like 30 seconds. I'm going to go in now with a second coat. Try not to get it on the sides or on your cuticle, because you will have lifting. It seems like it's building up pretty good. Now I don't know how many nails a 6 mil will allow you to do, but I'm sure you can probably get a whole set out of this here bottle. Okay, so now I'm gonna go cure this here again, and I'll be right back. I cured it again for 30 seconds in my LED. So I'm going to go in with this last and final. Yeah, this is the last and final go around. Only just to build the structure like up in here by my apex. Because you don't want your nail to break. So I'm going to just wiggle it back and forth just to build some strength right there. And take it down here a little bit more. So, and I guess it goes according to how long you want your nail. I mean, how thick you want your nails. This jar probably could do a whole full set. Make sure I get it all around, everywhere. Okay. All right. That should be about as thick as I want it. Let me go cure this again, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the nail after 3 coats of the builder gel. I must say this is a very clear gel. All right, I'm gonna get an alcohol pad and wipe off the tacky. Then I'm gonna go in with my filing, shaping, and buffing. Okay, this is the nail after I filed, shaped, and buffed it. I think I did pretty good for it to be my first time. What y'all think? Okay, I'm going to add some top coat to this here. And I'm going to add some of these little flakes because I want to see how these flakes look. Okay, so now I'm about to go in with just a regular top coat. Top coat and top it off. And then we're going to cure it. After I cure it, I'm going to let y'all see what the outcome will look like. Okay, y'all, this is the ending results. After I add some cuticle oil to it. Now, I wish I should have pinched the nail. Nonetheless, it did come out kind of cute. So I like this little builder gel. It's my first time using it. I think I did okay. I'm going to leave this stuff, everything I use in the description down below. Yeah, so y'all tell me what y'all think of this here little nail. Seems like it built it up pretty good. It's real thick and strong. Structure is strong. So yeah, but I am really digging these flakes. These flakes is alright with me. They're pretty, aren't they? Alright, y'all, in a minute. I'm going to come back. We're going to play with some more stuff here in a minute. 1 minute. I'll be right back. This will be the stamping plate that I'm going to use. I'm going in with this pretty gold stamping polish. And I got this here little stamper thing here. I bought this off AliExpress a while back. And I painted the nail black already. And we're going to use this here plate right here. I bought this probably over 4 or 5 years, maybe about 4 years ago off AliExpress. Don't quite know who sold it to me, so I don't have no link. But I think this is the number QA12 if you want to go searching for this here plate. I don't know if this is what you're supposed to bring up or not, but yeah. If memory serves me right, I think I'm supposed to use my claw thing too. Yeah, I get a chance to use my claw thing. I can't tell you where I got this from. I don't remember. But I think I'm supposed to have some alcohol. Don't I supposed to have some alcohol? Yeah, okay, we're going to have some alcohol to clean this here plate off. That's just some regular alcohol I got in a jar. And I'm going to clean this here plate off. And I'm probably go in with this here Louis Vuitton symbol and see if I can put that on the nail. Okay? So, I got a regular card here that I'm going to try and scrape this stuff off with. The polish off with. So let's go. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. Is this, wait, I don't know. Oh, this got to be regular nail polish. So I don't think I have to cure this in no lamp. Okay. So let's go in and see what we can do here. Okay. I'm going to try and put enough down on here and see how well it picks up. If it pick up. I hope it pick up. Come on, y'all. Keep your fingers crossed for me. Pick up, pick up, pick up. Okay, let me see. Alright. Let me take my top off my thing here. This is nerve-wracking, I tell y'all. Let me hurry up. The spongy thing that fell on my stamper over here. I'm moving all over the place. Here we go. Let's try this out here. See if it'll pick up. Pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up. Oh, it picked up. It picked up. Alright, let's put it on the nail. That was my chair. Oh, it picked up. Look how pretty that is. That is so pretty. Look how pretty that is. It picked up. OMG. I'm a stamper now, guys. Look at here. Hold on, I need a moment. I'm so proud of myself. I'm a stamper. I can stamp now. Y'all, okay. Okay, I'm going to tell y'all, like, this has never happened for me, okay? This is so pretty. I am so proud of myself. Girl, let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. Look at that. That is so pretty, y'all. Oh, man, I'm so proud of myself. Girl, I'm so proud of me. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, 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 whoop. I'm a stamper now. I'm a stamper now. Get at me, get at me, get at me. No, I'm just kidding. All right, y'all. Hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So, yeah, I did. I really had to have a moment for, you know, over here. Now, in this here, let me see if I can get some alcohol to get this here from around the edges here, because I'm still excited about this here. Now, see, for those who don't know, I don't know if you ever watched one of my videos, I had explained I never tried to do stamping on camera because it just never worked out for me. And when I tell you it never worked out for me. And I was so frustrated, y'all. I felt like throwing this whole stamping stuff clean across the room, I tell you. It's just, oh man, and I don't think I had the right equipment, so, but that's, you know, my fault. But me and stamping is cool now. Let me, look, I'm like, oh, I'm all over the place. Let me find some alcohol while I'm talking here. Let me see which one can I use? I don't know. Hold on. Let me try and squirt something on the brush here and get this excess. I don't even think I'm using the right brush. I'm so excited. I don't know. Let me see. Uh-oh. I don't want to take off my design. Hold on. Or was I supposed to use alcohol? Or was I supposed to use like nail polish remover or something? I think I'm supposed to use nail polish. No, it's alcohol working, y'all. Hold on. Anywho. Anyway, it's coming off, okay? I'm tripping out, y'all. I'm gonna have to do me LV design up in her. Up in her, up in her. I got a couple nice little plates over here too. When I tell y'all I am proud of myself over here, I am very proud of myself over here. This stamping polish is beautiful, okay? Check it. I myself will be going by Born Pretty to purchase every color they have now. And I'm about to go stamping crazy because I know how to stamp now. I know how to stamp now. I know how to stamp now. Yeah. I'm so excited over here, y'all. I mean, seriously, I thought I would never get to stamping stuff down. But yeah, y'all, so I just want to come in and show y'all how well the stamping polish work. And I'm so happy that it worked for me. Okay, so y'all let me know what y'all think about this here, these products. I'm going to link these here down in the description bar below. Okay, with the links to, you can go over there and purchase this here stuff. Let me know if you're happy for me because I learned how to stamp. That's my time, y'all. I'm going to get back with y'all real soon. I appreciate each and every last one of you for coming by, watching another episode of The Reese Show. Thank you so very much. And I'll be back real soon with another video. Okay? All right, y'all. That's my time. I'm out.